guys, how's it going? My name is Jeff, and today we're going to be looking at the Dodge Challenger Mopar Drag Pack. Before we get into the video, go ahead and smash that like button for me. So this vehicle is one of 50 produced, specifically number 47 of 50, and power comes from a supercharged 354 cubic inch Hemi with forged internals, which has an NHR rating of 630 horsepower. Now, if you're wondering why that sounds low, the NHRA rating is actually just a class rating, and real horsepower is more like 1,500 actual horsepower with a quarter mile time of just 7.5 seconds. Yes, this vehicle is blisteringly fast, but it's not cheap, with an MSRP of $135,995 before options. They come with the base drag pack, but they come with your choice of performance seats, wheel and tire kit, optional high impact color, and even heritage graphics, and it comes with a 3-speed TH400 shifter, all intended for drag racing, even with a rear 4-link suspension and custom coilovers all around, and everything's adjustable, of course, so you can make sure that you get the best times. But this vehicle is not street legal. It doesn't even have a VIN number, just the tag to verify it. Check out the video on how it sounds.
So for $115,000.
Alright, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching that video. Go ahead and smash that like button. I really appreciate it. And get subscribed to never miss videos like this, right? Thank you so much for watching.